Now I'm here to talk to you about getting supplies for your rock star costume. So once you've picked out the kind of costume you want to get, you got to figure out how you're actually going to make it. To get supplies, there are a variety of different places you can go. First of all, you can go to a costume store. If you want to get a wig, for example, for a glam rock outfit, you can do that at a costume store. That's the best place to go for something like that. However, some sorts of costumes call for things like more homemade looking stuff. Like this jacket, for example, you could get at a secondhand store. And that way you're not going to spend a lot of money and you get something authentic. If you're looking for particular kinds of footwear, you can go to a costume store and get boots like these. Not too expensive. Make sure that they fit you properly. Or if you're going for something like a Britpop look, which is more subdued, you may find, like I did, that you already own a pair of Doc Martens, which are perfect for the costume, and conveniently, you already have them. Also check with friends. See who has what. Some people have gone as punks, or are punks. You can always borrow things from them if you want to get a choker collar, for example. A lot of rock star costumes call for makeup. If that's the case, before you go out and buy makeup of your own, check with some of your female friends and see who already has makeup, because you're not going to need that much. And if your friend doesn't mind sharing eyeliner, maybe lipstick, mascara, then you're all set. All you really need is a few basics: mascara, some other eye makeup, lipstick. Stuff like this is good to have for a rock star costume. And if you're going with a grunge costume like Nirvana, for example, then really you can find old clothes that'll suit you just fine. Look for torn up t-shirts, old plaid shirts, stuff like that is fine. When you're getting your supplies for your costume, first check through the resources that you already have, and then you can go out to stores and get the remaining things.